Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurwardina Binti Awang. I'm from AS2011B. Today, I will talk about diversity of plant. What is diversity of plant? Plant diversity refers to the existence of wide variety of plant species in their natural environments. There are around 300,000 to 500,000 species of vascular plants that exist on Earth. So we move to the first plant, which is bishop. In scientific name, it called Casuarina ecositifolia. Casuarina ecositifolia common name is coster shock or horsetail shock, and it is angiosperm species. Next, we move to the scientific classification of bishop, which is genus Casuarina, family Casuarinaceae, order Phagales, class Magnoliopsida, which is dicotyledon, phylum Thraciophyta, which is vascular plant. Bishop is a flowering evergreen tree that is considered invasive in some areas. Bishop replace native trees and disturb their natural habitat. Bishop habitat is sand dunes, sands alongside estuaries, behind foredunes, gentle slopes near the sea. This species is drought tolerant and does not require irrigation. It is often planted in landscaping where erosion need to be controlled, and it also planted in windbreaks. Ornamentally, bishop is grown as a bonsai species. Next, we move to the second plant, which is saltbush. What is saltbush? Saltbush, or we call it Clademia hirta. It is angiosperm species. Clademia hirta is a species of tropical plants. Perennial shrubs grow as high as 0.5 to 3 m, but sometimes reach 5 m in more shady habitat. Young stems are round and covered with hair, stiff and reddish brown. Unique characteristic of this plant is major leaf veins reticulate. We move to the scientific characteristic, which is genus Clademia, family Melastomataceae, order Myrtles, class Magnoliopsida, which is dicotyledon, phylum Thraciophyta, which is vascular plant. In addition, habitat of saltbush is wetter pastures, open grassland, and plantation. Saltbush also known as hairy Clademia, coster curse, and Clademia. Another name for the perennial shrub known as saltbush, Clademia hirta, is coster curse. It enjoys great popularity as an ornamental plant throughout the entire world. Next, we move to the third plant, which is rambutan. What is rambutan? Rambutan, or we call it Nephelium lefaceum. It is angiosperm species. Rambutan is a fruit native to Southeast Asia. It grows in a tree that can reach up to 80 feet, 27 meters in height, and thrives best in tropical climates, such as in Malaysia and Indonesia. Next, we will talk about unique characteristic of rambutan, which is flower parts multiples. So, scientific characteristic for rambutan is genus Nephelium, family saltberry Sapindaceae, order Sapindos, which is maples, mangoes, mahogany, class Magnoliopsida, which is dicotyledon, dicot, eudicot, phylum Thraciophyta, which is vascular plants, seed plants, and thraciophytes. As we say, rambutan grows best in tropical climates and yields edible fruit. This species attracts bees and other pollinators, and its fruit has a pleasant aroma. Rambutan, also known as hairy lychee or pulasan, a species of Nephelium. Last but not least, for the last plant, which is Norfolk Island pine, it called Araucaria heterophylla. It is gymnosperm species. Norfolk Island pine, which is Araucaria heterophylla, is a conifer tree native to Norfolk Island, a small island in the Pacific Island. Now, it is a popular houseplant all around the world. However, Norfolk Island pine is in danger of dying out in the wild. It is 50 to 70 m in height, crown narrowly conical, branchlets in symmetrical holes. Next, for scientific characteristic, genus Araucaria, family Araucariaceae, Araucaria araucarians, Order Pinus, pines and alleys conifers coniferae. Class Pinopsida, conifers. Phylum Tresiophyta, which is vascular plant, seed plants. It is monocotyledon. Norfolk Island pine, a species of Araucaria, also known as Norfolk pine, Polynesian pine, star pine, and triangle pine. Norfolk Island pine is an endangered species. The wide population of Norfolk Island pine is considered as threatened in IUCN Red List since 2011. It is categorized as vulnerable, which is likely to become endangered unless the circumstances that are threatening its survival and reproduction improve. Fortunately, the population trend of this species appears increasing in recent years. So lastly, conclusion for the whole video is plant diversity effects on biota are not only due to the presence of key plant functional groups or plant productivity, highlighting the importance of diverse and high-quality plant-derived resources and supporting the validity of the singular hypothesis for soil biota. So for me, we need to enjoy the nature and explore more about the habitat of plant, so we know about the detailed scientific of plant. The picture above shows how unique the plant is, and we get to know more about the plant. So that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you.